Welcome to Be Free Driving School. My name is Wendy, and on this video we will be looking at 3 reasons people fail the UK driving test. Number 1 is not checking the mirrors before changing direction. On the driving test report, not checking your mirrors will be number 14. On the back of the report is an explanation of what's required. Please find a link to the test report below in the description box. So let's have a look at an example. The pink car is parked and the blue car has to move out to go past it. Unfortunately, the green car had decided that it was going to overtake the blue car to get around the pink car and crashed into the blue car. Had the blue car checked the mirrors before changing direction, they would have seen the green car in the mirrors. So that's a very good example of why it's important to check your mirrors before you change the direction of your vehicle. It's very important to know what is around you. Number 2 is observations at junctions. On the test report, it will be marked number 21, junctions observation. And once again, you can look at the back of the sheet for an explanation. So let's have a look at this junction. Now this junction, you've got grass both sides of the junction. It has a give way ahead. You must give way to anything coming from your right. You must not cause any other vehicle or road user to have to slow down when you pull out. This is an open junction because you can clearly see both sides of the grass. Let's have a look at this example where one side has a brick wall on the right hand side. The blue area shows you your field of vision, and we can see very clearly on the left, but what we can't see on the right is the motorbike coming up. It's not until we move forward that we will be able to see the motorbike. This is what we call a closed junction. Now we have a brick wall both sides of us, and this is our limited field of vision. We will not be able to see until we get to the give way line and creep forward. So this is what we call a blind junction. Do make sure that it is clear before you come out of the junction. Number 3, positioning normal driving. This is marked as number 23, normal driving on the test report. So normally you need to make sure that you keep 1 metre or a car door's width away from the curb or a parked vehicle. It's really important to keep that distance. If you're driving in lanes, you need to make sure that you are positioned in the middle of your lane and not toward the left or towards the right, as this can be dangerous for other road users. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Bye bye.